Hello everybody, nice to see you again.
Today I want to introduce to you a smart speaker. Name is
Toso Dodo. This one, see, it's so cute.
The packaging of the box and the accessories with this astronomy Bluetooth speaker. This cute smart speaker name is Dodo Astronaut. He has so many functions. It have AI voice intercom and Bluetooth connection playback, Bluetooth hands-free call, also with clock display, alarm clock setting, sleep at night light, TF card playback, FM radio. Also, it's a 360-degree independent C-lead sound chamber design. It is very cute.
If you are interested for the mini project Dodo and want to know more information about it, please click down of the link. Thank you. Bye.